What's going on, YouTube family? Check it out. I just got this in the mail not too long ago. It is not an unboxing because it's already open, so I can't say it's an unboxing. But it comes from overseas, Seoul. Like I said, I opened this up previously. It was packaged very well, so shouts out to whatever company this is that sold me this thing. And what it is a temperature gauge. It's a digital temperature gauge. I'm going to say the probe is approximately about 3 feet long. Now they do say that this is waterproof. I'll probably put a little something extra around the wire where it goes to the probe, just to be on the safe side. But they do say it's waterproof. And we're going to go on and give it a test. So basically it comes loomed up just how you see. The wire is all twisted together. But let's go on and set this thing so you can see it. And I'll show you guys how it works. So let's go on and wire this up. I got my little portable battery pack I made here. This is just for like testing LED lights or testing speaker polarity. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so it's reading 28.8 degrees Celsius. I don't know if you guys can see it well. It's a nice display. Like the little Indiglo. Kind of take me back up to the 90s. Show you something real quick and easy. Because I know some people probably got the same eBay meter and wondering, how do you switch Celsius to Fahrenheit? So I'm going to show you guys the trick. And it's nothing crazy. On the website that I bought this thing from, it says push the button in the back. There's a jumper. There is no button on the back of this thing. As you can see, there is no button. It's just the inputs for the temperature probe and of course your positive and negative. But if you look right there, there's a jumper. So I just take my needle nose pliers. I'm actually doing this through the camera. I can't believe it. And I'm going to pull that jumper out. Alright. Set it back down. Let's see what we got now. 82.4 degrees Fahrenheit. So now I feel American. That's what we're going to do here. 83.4 degrees. Dang, I got a hot breath. Real quick, the probe is literally in my hand. Not bad. I'm going to put one on my amp, and I'm going to put one on a subwoofer just to keep track. And of course I'll label it, you know, subwoofer, and the other label of course.
We've traveled 100 miles because we thought we were going to score. But now it's not going to happen. And look at this guy. He's old, but he's probably scored 1,000,000 times.
Peace and bass, man. I'm out of here.